Welcome back. My name is Ivica Cartello. You are watching Node download installation. I will take recommended for most users. Start installation. Next. I accept. Next. 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 Now I have on my computer Node.js. It is a popular JavaScript server framework, and NPM, Node Package Manager. We use it and we learn about it in process of creation of JavaScript frameworks applications as like React. To see that installation is go good, control version, click NPM -v, version 8.1.2, and Node version 16.13.1. Thank you for watching this video.